What is the liquid obtained after the process of decantation called? A. Filtrate. B. Decantate. C. Suspension. D. Sediment. The correct answer is B. Decantate. What activity demonstrates the concept of sound being produced by vibrations? A. Feeling the heat from a fire. B. Observing a flickering light. C. Listening to a humming rubber band. D. Watching water boil. The correct answer is C. Listening to a humming rubber band. The text suggests air helps in what activity besides breathing and playing? A. Balloon sports. B. Paddy cultivation. C. Digestion. D. Sleeping. The correct answer is A. Balloon sports. What property of a material aids the flow of charges and the passage of current? A. Resistivity. B. Resistance. C. Conductance. D. Voltage. The correct answer is C. Conductance. On what principle does a kaleidoscope function? A. Diffraction of light. B. Refraction of light. C. Multiple reflection of light. D. Single reflection of light. The correct answer is C. Multiple reflection of light. Which concept is explicitly linked to the function of the heart? A. Cardiac cycle. B. Abbo grouping. C. Pulmonary capillaries. D. Blood pressure. The correct answer is A. Cardiac cycle. Which plant tissue is characterized by oval and irregularly arranged cells with intercellular spaces located between epidermal layers? A. Epidermis. B. Mesophyll. C. Pericycle. D. Vascular bundles. The correct answer is B. Mesophyll. What is the oxidation number of hydrogen, H, in H2SO4? A. 0. B. +1. C. +2. D. -1. The correct answer is B. +1. The pharyngeal ganglion in a leech is a part of which system? A. Digestive system. B. Reproductive system. C. Nervous system. D. Excretory system. The correct answer is C. Nervous system. What is the nature of carbon dioxide regarding pH? A. It is acidic. B. It is basic. C. It is neutral. D. It is amphoteric. The correct answer is A. It is acidic. The skeletal system is composed of bones and what related structures? A. Related structures that aid body movement. B. Nerves. C. Muscles. D. Blood vessels. The correct answer is A. Related structures that aid body movement. What type of ion do bases typically release when dissolved in water? A. Hydroxide ions. B. Chloride ions. C. Hydrogen ions. D. Hydronium ions. The correct answer is A. Hydroxide ions. What is the general term for the compost produced by earthworms? A. Humus. B. Vermicompost. C. Peat moss. D. Mulch. The correct answer is B. Vermicompost. What is the expansion of an artery called when blood is forced into it? A. Blood pressure. B. Heartbeat. C. Vasodilation. D. Pulse. The correct answer is D. Pulse. What process is described by coating with Zn? A. Dental filling. B. Rusting. C. Aluminothermic process. D. Calcination. The correct answer is D. Calcination. How does afforestation reduce pressure on traditional forest areas? A. By raising new plantations. B. By encouraging deforestation. C. By creating new barren lands. D. By converting forests into deserts. The correct answer is A. By raising new plantations. Which color is at the shortest wavelength end of the visible spectrum? A. Green. B. Yellow. C. Red. D. Violet. The correct answer is D. Violet. What property does honey possess that helps in wound healing? A. Diuretic. B. Sedative. C. Laxative. D. Antiseptic. The correct answer is D. Antiseptic. What happens to water vapor when it comes into contact with a cold surface? A. It evaporates. B. It freezes. C. It condenses. D. It sublimates. The correct answer is C. It condenses. What are fossils evidences of? A. Future life forms. B. Modern plant uses. C. Extraterrestrial life. D. Ancient life forms or ancient habitats. The correct answer is D. Ancient life forms or ancient habitats. What type of complex molecules are formed from fatty acids during anabolism? A. Glucose. B. Cholesterol and other steroids. C. Enzymes. D. Glycogen. The correct answer is B. Cholesterol and other steroids. What is the electronic configuration of a boron atom? A. 2, 3. B. 2, 2. C. 2, 4. D. 2, 1. The correct answer is A. 2, 3. What principle explains the operation of a hydrogen bomb? A. Electromagnetic induction. B. Nuclear fission. C. Chemical explosion. D. Nuclear fusion. The correct answer is D. Nuclear fusion. What is a characteristic feature of an ear trumpet's design? A. It has a curved, uniform width. B. Both ends are narrow. C. One end is wide and the other end is narrow. D. Both ends are wide. The correct answer is C. One end is wide and the other end is narrow. What are degenerated and non-functional organs of animals called? A. Essential organs. B. Vestigial organs. C. Developed organs. D. Functional organs. The correct answer is B. Vestigial organs. Which component gives red blood cells their red color? A. Chlorophyll. B. Hemoglobin. C. Hemocyanin. D. Myoglobin. The correct answer is B. Hemoglobin. Which process follows aeration and involves the removal of solid particles in suspension? A. Pre-screening. B. Water reuse. C. Distillation. D. Sedimentation process. The correct answer is D. Sedimentation process. What action closes the circuit, allowing current to flow? A. Connecting the voltmeter. B. Adjusting the rheostat. C. Closing the key. D. Reading the ammeter. The correct answer is C. Closing the key. What other organism, besides earthworm and fish, is listed as having movements? A. Butterfly. B. Snake. C. Elephant. D. Lion. The correct answer is B. Snake. What is radiocarbon dating used for? A. Analyzing rock formations. B. Predicting weather patterns. C. Measuring the speed of sound. D. Determining the age of organic materials. The correct answer is D. Determining the age of organic materials. How did you score?